Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect your phone internet to your computer to browse. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you need to open your phone, and after that you're going to activate the hotspot in your mobile phone. I'm going to go to my setting to activate the hotspot. I'm just going to go to the connection setting and I'm going to go to the mobile hotspot and tethering. Okay, make sure you have activated your mobile hotspot so you can connect your phone internet to your computer. And after that, you're going to go to open your computer and you have to activate the Wi-Fi on your computer. Okay, after you turn on your computer, you need to activate the Wi-Fi so you will get internet connection from your phone. You can click on this icon and then you're going to tap on the Wi-Fi to activate it. Okay, and this is the hotspot from my phone. And as you can see that it has been connected. And if you want to disable the connection, you just need to click on disconnect. And after that, after your laptop has been connected to your phone's hotspot, you'll be able to use it to browse on your Chrome or maybe your Mozilla. And I'm just going to use my Chrome to browse something. Okay, let's say I'm going to browse for song. Okay. Alright guys, and that's all the way to connect our phone internet to our computer to browse. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.